screaming if this were actually happening to me. Why is she going in the barn? You stupid idiot! You idiot! Get out of the barn! Oh my god, Slingshot! It's Slingshot. Why the door Slingshot? You stupid! Oh, son of a... Destiny farted. Her in the moment.
Oh my god.
Look at her face. She's like, I'm done. I don't know what I can do to her eyes.
No, just keep watching.
What? Oh my god! There's something behind her. Why does that thing walk like that? That's really freaky. What is she doing? What is she doing? Are you stupid? She's an idiot. She's a... What is... I think she likes this. I think she thinks that she's like... I think she gets high off of this. It's an adrenaline rush. She likes it.
Who?
She's getting high off of the adrenaline.
Oh.
Oh my god, it's right. No!
Matt, watch. You need to watch this, Matt.
Dude, what did it do? What did it do?
It attacked her.
I didn't see it. Good thing I fell.